welcome back to the channel. I'm Erica. In today's video, I'm just going to show you some pictures that I took today. I went outside. It's super hot here in Oklahoma. Like, it was so hot. I felt like I was melting like the Wicked Witch of the West outside. But anyways, I took some picture of my American Girl Desiree and her outfit that is also now listed on Etsy too, because I went ahead and I made duplicates. Now enjoy the quick DIY. To get started with my American Girl size lamp, I am going to start with the lampshade. I cut off the K-cup bottom. It's a coffee K-cup, and I cut out the bottom and I glued in a Halloweeny tea light that I got at Dollar General years ago. Tea lights come in different colors and sizes, but this one fit perfectly. And I just hot glued it in, and I'm not going to glue anything on top of it, just so I can turn it off and on so it will be a working light. And for the cover, you can leave it white or you could spray paint it. I'm actually just going to use this pink and white striped fabric, and I'm just going to hot glue it on. Now I'm going to take this clear cylinder thing and I'm going to glue it to the base of my lamp, which is a perfume bottle. And the reason why I did this is just so I could lay the light part on top of it without having to glue it down. And look, it glows! How cute!